Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson, we're going to be doing percentage change with a calculator. So for our one-star example, here we're being asked to find the multiplier for a 53% increase. If you're ever increasing a number by a percentage, you can simply just multiply it by the following. Brackets 1 plus, and then the percentage you are increasing it by as a fraction over 100. So let me show you what this looks like with the numbers filled in. Here we're trying to find the multiplier, so the number you multiply onto the amount you're trying to increase by 53%. So because it's an increase, there is a 1 plus. This 1 plus indicates that you are increasing the value. And how much you're increasing it by is the second part here. So a 53% increase will be 1 plus because it's an increase, and then 53 over 100. And if we put this into our calculators and simplify, this will give us 1.53. So 1.53 is what you multiply onto a number if you want to increase it by 53%. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another one-star example, this time for percentage decrease. So just as we did in the previous example, to decrease a number by a percentage, you multiply it by 1 minus, and that's the difference between increase and decrease. For decrease, it's a 1 minus. And then the percentage that you're decreasing it by as a fraction over 100. So what does this look like for a 77% decrease? Well, it's going to be times 1 minus 77 over 100. And if we simplify this into our calculators, it will give us the following, times 0.23. So if you're decreasing a number by 77%, you should multiply that number by 0.23. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a two-star example. Here we're being asked to decrease 430 by 10%. So it's a decrease. I'm going to take my 430 and multiply it by 1 minus 10 over 100. And if we simplify the second part, this will be 1 multiplied by 0.9, which gives us 387. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another two-star example. Here we have to increase 470 by 30%. So I'm going to take my 470 and I'm going to multiply it by brackets 1 plus, and the 1 plus is for an increase, 30 over 100. And if we simplify this, we get the following, 470 times 1.3. And putting this into our calculators, we should get 611. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a three-star example. Here we're being asked to decrease 230 by 55%. So I'm going to take my 230 and I'm going to multiply it by 1 minus, because it's a decrease, 55 over 100. And if we input this into our calculators, we'll get the following, 230 multiplied by 0.45, which gives us 103.5. And if we check our answer, there it is. And for the final three-star example, we're going to increase 180 by 76%. So we're going to take 180 and multiply it by 1 plus to show it's an increase, 76 over 100. And if we simplify this, we get the following, 180 times 1.76. Putting this into our calculators, we get an answer of 316.8. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on percentage change with a calculator.